You ready for this?
Ready for this.
All right, this is apparently a solution for hiccups.
Yes, it is. It's really easy. All you do is take a glass, fill it to the brim with water. Take your thumbs, put them in your ear, and plug your ear. Then you take your index finger and plug your nose. Then you take your mouth and put it over the glass. You take the rest of your fingers, lift the glass, and then drink the water all at once.
Wait, my glass has more. I think you're trying to make me shut up. Oh, you should have practiced.
I almost choked. You know why this probably works? Because you have to hold your breath.
I'll only get rid of half my hiccups.
Is that why it works, you think?
Mm-hmm. Well, you're changing the pressure.